Nakabababa na.
Diyan siya bili! Nako! Woo! Iya! Iya ba? Iya, iya.
Meron pa akong bibili sa kayo.
What do you want? What do you want, Lak? Go ride your horsey. Let me see you ride your horsey. Let me see nga, let me see. Is it for the baby, Ma? Oh, it's ready? Oh.
Akala ko baka mabigat ang pera din.
Look! Oh my God! Hey!
That one.
That's your shoes right there. Where's Toto's shoes? Toto, you got a lot of sweaters right there.
Magaan.
Wala, andun yung shoes mo, Nak. Andun yung shoes. Get it. Get Papi Bear.
No, do I have to? Because it's gonna hurt my money.
Where Papi Bear?
Oh, okay. This is gonna hurt my money.
That's for the beach. By the beach.
Yeah, but when we go.
Ew, that's for the dog, Toto.
Pwede pa lang akin.
Lobby, meron pa siyang shoes. Get that. Yung isa pang present si Toto, Lobby.
Oh, sure.
Bobby!
Sure. But,
Lobby!
Put something there. Open that. You can put your
Kunin mo yung yung meron pa dun si Toto. Diyan, lagay mo. The one says Toto.
two, and you can...
Not that. No.
Grab it.
Ayun pa yung red one.
Toto, grab it, Toto. Toto,
The red
grab
one.
it. Grab it, Toto.
Wala na yung shoes niya.
Grab it. Here, hold it.
Wala nang present.
Siguro ka doon?
What? Toto, where's the shoes? Who's this? Is it for the baby? You alright? Right, come on, let's ride, Toto, ride. Come on, sakay. Throw the bolt na. Throw the ball. Throw the ball.
Oh, those spongy things.
Oh my God, ang init.
Kayo ito kay Papi Bear?
Kayo nung horse yun? Si Papi Bear? Horsey?
Hi, Papi Bear.
Bear?
Fetch. Sit, Papi Bear,
Oh,
sit.
lovely. That tastes really good.
Ano na yan?
Home.
Home.
Pagaan.
I have no idea.
Hello, B.
You make stuff out of it. It's like Play-Doh, Mom.
Yeah, except it puts stuff. You wanna go here? It won't come off.
Go inside na.
But the grass thing, it won't come off.
Ang sarap ng tahong. Oh my God. Ang sarap naman yun. Nakama yan.
Oh, are we gonna eat?
Oh my God.
Where's the food? Where's the Filipino food?
Still in the freezer. Oh, clean up. Come on.
Wait.